Hey guys, congratulations on finally making it to your senior year of high school. If you don't know who I am, I'm Mackenzie Gregoreski, and today I am going to be sharing a few tips and tricks to help you get through this year and just give you some advice on the best ways to handle this coming year. The first thing I want to talk to you guys about is just cherishing every moment of this year, because as a senior, you get to do so many special things this year, and sometimes people take it for granted. Like, I know I definitely took things for granted, and because I was not expecting to be finishing my senior year from home this year. So, like, some things I took for granted were like senior prom, Way of the Cross, just even being with my friends every day. Like, you just have to make sure that you are cherishing every moment, because you never know what's going to happen. And these things, like Way of the Cross, I am never going to get to do. So, and that's really sad, because that's what we look forward to. It's the senior privilege. There's so many senior privileges that we get. So just make sure to cherish everything and just make every moment count of this year, because you only get it once. Another thing I want to address is the senior project. Please, please, please don't stress about it as much as you are going to, because I promise you it is not as bad as everybody makes it out to be. Your teachers are there the whole time and will help you through anything and answer any of the questions that you have. You just have to ask. And they break it up so well that you shouldn't be too overwhelmed with any certain part at any certain time. And I know that I didn't get to do the presentations, but trust me, I'm pretty sure your teachers will be there to help you through. And if you take COM 101, it is a huge help with your senior project, because it helps you to overcome your fears of speaking in front of people, and it really just helps you to become a better speaker and be able to present your information without looking at your slides. So please do not stress as much as you are going to about the senior project. The last thing I wanted to address with you guys is to not rush anything this year, because I know that I did this and some of my friends did too. We were just so ready to go to college. We were so done with high school. We've been there for 4 years. We're over it. Don't rush anything, because you're never going to get these experiences again. You're never going to have another senior prom. You're never going to have another run-a-thon. You're never going to have another Way of the Cross. It's just these little experiences that you'll miss out on if you're too focused on the future. So just make sure to stay focused on what's happening now, and don't worry about anything that's happening too far ahead in the future. But I love you guys, and I hope you all have a great senior year. Bye.